ሰላም ሰላም፣ እንዴት ናችሁ? እኔ ደህና ነኝ፣ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ዛሬ በጣም ስኖው so to wish you
welcome
wazema and I hope you enjoy the eve. Here it's really feel like winter. Winter.
Yeah.
Been a long time we don't have a nice snow like this.
Yeah. Cooking with love. Lucky we are.
Yes, Temazgen.
Yeah, we are home.
It's pleasant. It make feel like a legit.
Legit.
So I take the really. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's a good vibe.
Yeah, the birds.
Yeah, the birds, everything. So it was more snow than this by morning.
We was walk.
Yeah, we took a walk of like 2 hours. We'll post some pictures for the one who have Fasi as a friend. You will see it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And what about you guys, the one you are abroad? Let us know if it's let us know if it's snow.
Let us. All you want is snow this time.
Yeah, it's big. It's come from Russia. Privyet, Russian friends. So it's big. It's really tilik, but it's look at this.
It's a beautiful.
Just majestic.
Yeah.
Majestic. Beautiful. The magic of Christmas, as they say. So yeah, been a very long time. The last time I was in the belly of my mom. And it was the coldest winter in Europe. Yes, it was 15 days the country was locked. Today is pretty locked also, that's why I'm here. The boss called me and say, hey, you can stay home, so thank you, boss, if you see the video one day. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's
I
a
enjoy.
risky day today to drive.
Yeah, it's very risky. There is some people that they don't afraid, that they bargain their life. But better to just, use your feet and no risk at all. And there is crazies that they appreciate from morning to take risk, to bet their own life like it's a lottery, and to make a motor like this. Look at it. Just watch this. We are safer by walking. So if you want to play with the life, why not?
Even there is no job today because of the snow. The road is closed.
Yeah, but there is many people who take the risk, who take cars and motors. So if you want to see only 8 days or 6 days of 2026, up to you. That's good. So he's come back again.
I hope you will be okay today. From morning.
Yes, I hope so. I hope so. But he will be. Maybe this guy is Russian.
He's Russian?
Yeah, maybe. He's a Russian style. We don't have friends.
Our village.
Yes.
Yeah.
So as you can see, melting.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's around. Whoa! It's fallen on my head. On my head. Now it's about and wow, it starts to melt, which is make it even more beautiful. Kind of magical scenery. It's really beautiful. It's melting from the top. Yeah, the God work. Amazing. Yeah, it's falling. Beautiful. So we're gonna continue. Fasix is I don't know, tying the shoes.
I arranged my socks to don't let it go down.
Yeah, arrange the socks. So let's keep walking. Let's show you a little the Sefer Kayo, the village, and let's continue. Yes. So we dress like Habesha today, Ethiopians.
Yeah.
And that's funny to see the reaction of people passing by. Too many what you call it? Arangwade Bichakai. Too many. C'est quoi flag? Bandira. Too many bandiras. I said it 5 minutes ago and I forgot. So yes, we take a walk. It's very good for our health. Also the cold, right? Very good for the blood. And I pass the relay for Wi-Fi. I want to be there, freeze.
So it's me, record now.
Yes. So I think we're gonna just step back, gonna take another direction because it's melting too much
Over
this way.
there, yeah, because the sun is big.
Let's go back over there. The snow is falling on me.
Yeah. From the tree it's falling.
Yes.
By the way, interesting.
Yes.
What you want for holiday?
Dorowet, a package. Dorowet is my absolute favorite food in the world.
Yeah. Sunday, we was asking the view. I was live stream.
Yes.
I think we are the only one we don't skip Dorowet and the Kia family.
Yes, yes. Long time I don't be on the live. I got
Wait.
corona.
15 ቀን you 20 day ኒኮ 20 ቀን
yeah.
እኔ 15 16 ቀን አሞኝ ነበር።
Then as I'm a lovely husband, I share with my wife. I give it to her. And she was not like it. And me too.
No,
But
first we was think it's flu.
Yeah, we thought it's flu, but it's corona.
Yeah.
The good thing we got it now, so we should not get it again in the winter. That's
Yeah.
why we're outside enjoying
Breathing.
breathing.
But anybody have got flu have to test in this
Yes,
time.
you must,
በእውነት
yeah.
ከሳምንት በላይ ጉንፋን የሚቆይባችሁ ከሆነ ቴስት አድርጉት። ራሳችሁንም ለመንከባከብ ምን አይነት መድኃኒት መውሰድ እንዳለባችሁም እንትን ይላችኋል ይረዳችኋልና
Just take care, guys. In a crowded place, like in minibus. I mean, if you see people cook, because the contagious is spread because there is people they don't protect the other. So when they start a cough, they don't just cover the mouth, and here it's what happened. I got it with people kind of in my face. So
Separate the man. I
yes,
remember.
when we got it, especially with the elder, we have to take care because the elder are more fragile, the little kids. So yeah, we have to take care, protect one another because we don't know. One day it might come back stronger, and
I
the
have
previous
lots,
corona
yeah.
I was walking in the park. So let's take care and let's move forward now.
We have a friend, you know that in Alaska?
Alaska, we have friend.
Yeah.
Oh, Guadenia from Alaska.
Yeah, Canada,
What's her name?
America.
Or what his name?
I forgot the
You
name.
forgot?
I'm sorry.
Mention your name, Alaska friend.
I'm sorry.
Yes, it's okay. So, guys, how is in your? I mean, if you are abroad, how it is? Did you get snow as well? Here it's pretty much.
ብርዱን እየጠላሁት ብርድ እንዴት እንደምጠላ ታውቃላችሁ? ቆንክስ ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ለምንድን በስኖ ዋዜማን ደጅ ኩክ አናደርግም? ናይስ ኮፊ አይ ሜክ ካምፕሊት
Yes.
as always, right?
I don't say no.
Cooking with love. Lucky we are.
Yes, Temas again.
Yeah, we are home. ዛሬ እንግዲህ በብርድ ከክሰል ምድጃ ጋር ግን አይበርድም አይደለ ቤቢ? It's not cold much.
No, not cold.
Right? Yeah, so I can do it. ዶሮ ወጥ ልሰራ አስቤያለሁኝ። እየበረደ ካልሄደ እጨርሳለሁኝ እዚሁ፣ እየበረደ ከሄደ ግን እቤት እጨርሰዋለሁኝ። መልካም ዋዜማ በድጋሚ።
So, guys, we're gonna head back to home
Wait.
because it's beautiful to take video, but it's betamber. It's so cold,
Wait.
and I have to work afternoon.
But they're gonna laugh on us, the one who live Alaska,
Yeah,
Canada.
yeah, there is more
snowplace.
cold actually. I know that
Yes.
German is more cold even than here, Netherlands, Norway, many places. So here it's not usual. That's why we are so happy to see. Thanks God for whatever He give. We have to appreciate. And there is beauty in everything.
Wait.
That's the lesson of today, and for everyday lesson. That if everything is all the time the same, it's boring. So differences, various colors. That's what makes the world one and beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, diversity.
Wait.
So we have to appreciate. So wish you all welcome Eve, welcome Gena. We will say to you in chat, I think in direct.
Wait.
And I hope you have a good one. Take care of each other, love each other, and that's it. Xavier Mesgen for everything. We see you soon, guys. We love you. Ciao, ciao.
ሰላም ሁኑ። እግዚአብሔር ከእናንተ ጋር
Salam
ይሁን።
unu. And the fikir. And a nice last one. White snow.